What's up? I'm just working, but I decided to make a video because we're solving problems today. Alright, so as you can see, my cords get beat on. I drive over them, I burn out on them, I throw them out. They get unrolled and rolled twice a day, and they get beat. When they break, I just chop the end off and I replace them with new ones. This here is probably under $5 instead of $50 or more for a new 75-foot cord. This particular one here is super tough. You can drive over it many times before they're destroyed. Here's one that's still in use because it still works. Yes, it may be a little bit dangerous, but they take a beating. Home Depot product. Here's another one that's been driven over and beat on and still in use. And here's the one I just chopped off. I decided to replace it because it kind of fell apart when I took it apart. But yeah, my extensions cord lasts me a long time. So I chop the end off, take a razor blade and cut the jacket back enough to get it into the new mounting points, which are here. Sorry, there. So I'm going to screw these wires into the green on green. White and black doesn't really matter. You can put them on either side. So green on green, and then just attach the other two. I usually put black on the gold, and I put the white on the silver. So yeah, you got a gold, a green, and a silver. First you got to put it through this piece.